In this video, we will be replacing the overhead console switch assembly in this 2012 Ford F150. Through the driver's side door, we can see the location of our switch, and taking a closer look, we can see our control switches located in that upper console assembly. And these switches, we do have a tilt and slide for the sunroof. We also have a third switch. This one controls the back window. And for removal, we're going to begin by pulling down the front left side, followed by the front right side. And with our assembly released, we do have two wiring harnesses. Each of these harnesses have a small tab that needs to be depressed so that we can remove those harnesses from the assembly. And taking a look at our assembly, we want to remove our lens cover. So if we flip that up, we can locate our two retaining tabs, and applying a little bit of upward pressure on the lens cover, and with a standard head screwdriver, we can depress those tabs and get that to pop off just a little bit. And then we can very carefully work that lens cover off. And we can work that reflective shield off as well. And we are left with clear access to our map light bulbs. These can be pulled straight out. We can then flip it over, and there are four tab locations holding in our electrical assembly. We can gently release those tabs as we gently press down on that electrical assembly. And as we take a look at the back side of that assembly, we have four tab locations holding in our switch assembly. And with that same standard head screwdriver, we want to work those tab locations loose. And we are left with one additional piece to remove. We do have a tab on either side of this unit that we can work off. And I do like to compare my new part with my old part just to make sure they look about the same. This is a Motorcraft SW6643 component. And these are looking good. And we can begin our reassembly. We want to make sure our buttons are lined up properly. And the little retaining clips on the side will sync up as well. Now we do want our wiring harnesses to face the same direction, and we do want those four tabs to line up properly. And then we can add our next component, again making sure that the wiring harnesses are facing towards the back. And making sure each of those tabs get seated fully. And our bulbs can then be worked in place. And it might be worthwhile to replace these bulbs since we have this open. And we can add that foil reflective plate, followed by our lens. And back inside the vehicle, we have our 2 wiring harnesses. And then we can work that unit back in place.